back to Sisters Cooking and Crafts. Today we will be making
edible pudding Play-Doh.
Here are the ingredients. 1/4 cup instant pudding powder. 1 cup cornstarch. 1/3 cup warm water. First we're going to add the pudding powder. And then not all of the cornstarch, but just a little bit. Now the water. And we're going to stir. Now we're going to add a little more cornstarch. And stir. Now we're going to do the rest of the cornstarch and then stir it by hand. We noticed ours was a little dry and added 2 more tablespoons of water. Now you can enjoy your Play-Doh and eat it as a yummy snack afterward. We hope you had fun.
Thanks for watching.